Let's do question 6. A milling machine is driven for a certain application by a motor of 7.5 kilowatts. The milling cutter that is used has a diameter of 120 millimeters and rotates at 135 revs per minute. If the efficiency of the drive is 85%, determine the tangential cutting force exerted by the milling cutter. Let us list the data given. We're given the input power, which is 7.5 kilowatts. The milling cutter has a diameter of 120 millimeters, which we can convert to 0.12 meters. The rotational speed is 135 revs per minute. The efficiency is 85%. We must look for the tangential cutting force exerted by the milling cutter. Let us do the calculations. First, we were given the size of the electric motor, 7.5 kilowatts. That is the input power. We can't use the power to calculate the force. Cutting force depends on the output power. So let's take the efficiency and multiply the power. Output power is equal to 0.85 multiplied by 7.5 kilowatts. We get 6.375 times 10 to the power 3 watts. Now, let's find the torque. We use this formula. Power is equal to 2 pi nt all over 60. Let's make t the subject of the formula and substitute. So torque will be equal to power times 60 all over 2 times pi times 135. So if we calculate, we get torque is equal to 450.939 Newton per meter. To get our final answer, remember we are looking for the tangential force. So force is equal to torque divided by the radius. 450.939 divided by 0.06, our diameter divided by 2. This will give us 7515.65 newtons. Another way to find this force is to calculate velocity. Then you use the formula P is equal to force times velocity. Since we have our output power, we can just substitute and make F the subject of the formula. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's calculate velocity. V is equal to pi times diameter times rotational speed all over 60. So if we substitute pi times 0.12 times 135 all over 60, this will give us 0.84823 meters per second. To get our final answer, we substitute output power divided by velocity. 6.375 times 10 to the power 3 divided by 0.84823. This will give us 7515.6502 Newton.